This is a fit for a 2012 through 2016 Mazda CX-5 with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo Raised Rail WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 53 inches in length, the Evo Raised Rail foot pack, which connects to the raised rails with rubberized clamps. Here we have the crossbars at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum crossbar spacing is up to 32 inches. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.